board. It was a loose knot, now it's a missing knot. When I start, I want to make sure that my board is flat. It shouldn't have a whole lot of rock. And the edge that I'm running against the fence should be relatively straight. I don't want to run an edge that rocks like that because then I get kickback. I don't want to wood that twist because then I can wedge it in there and get kickback. This board is okay. The height of the blade. The height of the blade is set right there. And you're going to read like 80 different books, and they're going to say 80 different places to set the blade. A quarter of an inch above, an eighth of an inch above, this, that, and the other thing. The easiest way to set the blade is between the teeth. It's called the gullet. G-U-L-L-E-T. Gullet. This part right here. If you set that up relatively in line with the top of the board, that's where you want to be. What that does for you is it allows all the sawdust that's coming up to come out and not get stuck in the board. It allows the teeth to come out and cool down. We have blades that have really long teeth and some that have really short teeth. It's just a dimension like, oh, an eighth of an inch above. The ones with really long teeth, half the teeth are going to still be in the board. They're going to overheat and cause problems. So those you want to bring up higher. So it's the gullet. When you are cutting very, very thin material like that, you have to get the blade higher. Because if you don't, if the blade is really low, that thin material is going to want to ride up over the blade. So you've got to get the blade higher so when it's cutting down into the material. But for 3/4 inch material, this is, for half inch, for like little 8 and 1/4 inch material, you might be doing.
For the 7, you have to round it on that part? Yeah. It can be over or nothing?
Well, it could be over, but if the blade is like that, and I get a kickback and my hand does this,
oh, yeah.
Would I rather have it do that, or would I rather have it hit that? Yeah, I'd probably rather have it hit that than the one that's up like this. Well,
I'd rather not do any.
I'd rather not do any, but if you didn't have that choice, which one would you pick? Yeah. So that's why you leave it low. When we get over to the sliding table saw, you're going to see we leave it really high, so we almost always use the bar. Just cuts better when it's high. So that's the first thing. Next thing is I want to cut this edge off. I want to I'm just going to cut it a little bit narrower. I could cut it off right against it, but I want to cut it narrow. This is 7 inches down here, and this is 7 and 6 inches here. I'm going to cut it 7. I stand on the left side of the blade. I never stand behind the blade or to the right of the blade. Left side only. I don't face forward. I face at about 45 degrees that way. So I'm not standing like this. I'm stand them like this. Okay? My right hand holds the board up and pushes it forward. My left hand holds the board down on the table and pushes it against the fence. My right hand moves, my left hand stays stationary. I'm not doing this, I'm doing this. Okay? Let me move this back. So, thumb on top, pads of my fingers against the edge, or thumb on top, edge of my finger there. Not this. And back here, I push. At some point, my fingers are underneath here because I'm holding the board up. They're going to run into this table. Right? I can't keep going. What I do is before I get there, I leave my thumb on the back edge, I take my hand and I flip it over and I put my fingers on top. I would like to be in the middle of this board. Not way over here with my hand like this. Not like this. Thumb behind in the middle, fingers in front, sort of flex like that. So I have control of the board, and I can maneuver a little bit. This hand stays here like this. When the board passes this hand, get it out of it. Either put it over here, or put it behind your back. Take this, I can lean right against the table. Push straight through until this back corner gets beyond the blade. Don't stop anywhere in here. The piece is going to get cut off right about there, so whatever's on this side will stop moving. But keep this going until it's back away from the back edge of the blade. At that point, if this is far enough over that you've got this exposed, you can take your right hand and go like this, and bring this board back like this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Because if you happen to hit this in the blade and your hand's there and it's just flying back, you're not going to be happy. If you can't get it from here, then you will come around over here and take it out.
Good question. The key for the cabinet on the CNC?
It's in my drawer.
One to the right?
Yeah, but somewhere.
There, I didn't see it.
Somewhere.
Okay.
Shop. When you're cutting, you need to wear some kind of stand. If you have glasses like me, which nobody has, these are really not protection. They're not safety glasses, but it's what I use because those other ones don't fit. And I need the glasses. But you can get prescription safety glasses. Yeah, they're pretty expensive. If you're going for progressive photosensitive safety glasses, so they're probably going to be pretty Watch out, it's still spinning.
See?
What?
Look at this guy. What the?
It doesn't matter if it's under power. If it's still spinning, it can still cut you. I've seen people get caught touching the brake while it's still spinning after it's still spinning.